Did you know you still have to legally disclose if your house is haunted? That means right now there are realtors selling haunted houses. Like, you're gonna love this place. Look at the master bedroom, ensuite bathroom. Look at that clawfoot jacuzzi soaker tub. Trey Chic, don't need to tell you. If you look in the mirror, you're gonna see the withered old woman and then ornate wainscoting all along this wall. Sorry, what was that last part? Ornate, dear. It means intricate wainscoting. No, right before that. Oh, you're talking about the withered. Okay, well, it's an apparition.